Hi, we're given here the revenue is given as RP, R of P. That is equal to minus 2P square minus 2P square plus 4000P. Plus we have 4000P, right? Thus we have here, that is RP, right? It's depending on P dollars, right? So for the A part, at what price is P, is the revenue 0. For the A part here we have at what price is P, revenue 0. So 0 equals minus 2P square plus 4000P, right? Or if we just solve this here, we get 2P square minus 4000P. That is equal to 0. We're going to find out the value of P here. We just factor out 2P here. So we get P minus 2000. That is equal to 0. So we get here 2P times P minus 2000.